Many of you will know the benefits of the twin air power flow filter from the previous generation of KTM85. This one is very similar, but obviously for the 2018 KTM85, so much the same deal really. We've got the billet cage and the pre-oiled filter. So as I've said, they work exceptionally well. So this really is the item to have for your 18 bike. Today I thought we'd just go over a few parts for the recently introduced KTM85 2018 model. So we have an array of parts in front of us in no particular order. First of all, we have the Hds Exhaust System. As you can see, a natural steel works finish. So very popular exhaust. The best performing two-stroke exhaust on the market that we've tested. The muffler comes in 3 different colours. Shown here is obviously the orange version. We also have blue for Husqvarna's, and then a plain aluminium colour as a neutral colour option as well. So that's the Hds Exhaust System. Next we move on to some Nihilo products. First of all, we have the billet clutch cover here. So as you can see, custom engraving available, good hard wearing, durable component. So bling your bike up with a Nihilo clutch cover. Something to enhance reliability is a billet water pump, high capacity water pump, so it does away with the stock 85 plastic impeller. So as you can see, we have both blue, orange and also black available, I believe. So that's the water pumps. Here we have the ribbed seat cover, so for extra grip on the seat to aid body positioning in the all-important corners. So a good popular option to enhance your seat and your riding position. The next item from Nihilo is a lighter, stiffer pressure plate, clutch pressure plate, so that gives better feel on the clutch, smoother, just better translation of the power to the rear wheel. So good useful option to have that one. And then this one is an all-important tool for adjusting the power valve spring preload. Power valve springs have a pretty big influence over the certainly the bottom end to mid-range performance of the bike, so getting that adjustment set right is crucial, and this tool will enable you to do that adjustment nice and easily. Moving on, we have a couple of VHM components here. A lot of people are already familiar with these. The billet aluminium cylinder head, anodised gold or blue. We can also get those in blue with the interchangeable combustion chamber inserts. So the insert can be varied in profile and volume to give tuners options they want to achieve on their engine. So very, very useful feature to have is these custom interchangeable inserts. And then we have the VHM billet piston. This one is specifically to go with that insert. It's what's known as the 12-degree package, so that refers to the squish angle here. So that's all about crispness of throttle and combustion velocity profile within the combustion chamber. So very popular amongst the top-end racers, that piston. Not the cheapest, but it is our current race engine spec piston. One thing that will likely become our race spec that's still ongoing at the moment, this is a cylinder spacer. So we lift the cylinder up and put a longer conrod in it. If you wish to know what a longer conrod does, be sure to look up the specific video we've done on that previously. The final item we're going to talk about is ceramic hybrid bearings. Sounds a bit of a mouthful, but it's pretty simple really. So the engine bearing sets conventionally steel deep groove ball rollers. So these are again steel deep groove ball rollers, but this one has a steel inner and outer cage, but actually ceramic balls within it. So what they do for you is they're lighter, so slightly lower inertia, less temperature absorbing, so the bearing will run cooler, smoother, faster. So again, that will give you what the feeling of crisper throttle response. And typically these last 5 to 7 times longer than conventional steel bearings. So although they're an initially expensive purchase, they are a very good hard-wearing product. That's the end of this video on KTM85 2018 parts. If you require any more information, either email us or call us on 02 4631 2599.